you. Today we will discuss the chapter limit. Okay. So, what is limit? लिमिट क्या होता है, कैसे इसको फाइंड करते हैं, इसको सॉल्व करने का प्रोसीजर क्या है, ये हम आज इस चैप्टर में डिस्कस करेंगे. तो लिमिट होता क्या है? सपोज दैट एक फंक्शन हम लेते हैं f(x) = x प्लस, और इस फंक्शन की किसी पॉइंट पे वैल्यू निकालते हैं. सपोज दैट x f(1) = 1 पे एग्जैक्ट इसकी वैल्यू क्या आ गई? 2 आ गई. ओके. अब हम एक दूसरा फंक्शन लेते हैं f(x) = x² - 9 x -3. अब इस फंक्शन की वैल्यू अगर हमें निकालनी हो तो हर पॉइंट पे हम निकाल सकते हैं इसकी वैल्यू. x का डिफरेंट पॉइंट पे हम लोग इस फंक्शन का वैल्यू फाइंड कर सकते हैं, लेकिन x = 3 पे हम फाइंड नहीं कर सकते. We cannot define the value of function at x = 3 because it will give us 0/0. ओके. तो इस पॉइंट पे अगर हमें फंक्शन की वैल्यू निकालनी है तो हम कैसे निकालेंगे? हम उस पॉइंट के आसपास उसके नेबरहुड में उस फंक्शन की वैल्यू निकालते हैं. x के थोड़ा सा पहले, x के थोड़ा सा बाद. मीन्स हम लोग उस फंक्शन की लिमिट निकालते हैं x → 3 - f(x). इस 3 के थोड़ा सा पहले 2.9999 तक, बट नॉट एग्जैक्टली एट द x = 3. ओके. जो कि और उसको किससे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? 3 - से. 3 - मीन्स वैल्यू ऑफ फंक्शन फ्रॉम लेफ्ट approaching or tending left to tending x की तरफ, x = 3 की तरफ वो टेंड कर रहा है, मतलब उसकी ओर बढ़ रहा है, बट एग्जैक्ट नहीं है. सिमिलरली वी फाइंड लिमिट x → 3 + f(x) फ्रॉम राइट. अगर हम राइट से यही बढ़ेंगे तो 3 तक, 3 के से थोड़ा सा ऊपर, थोड़ा सा आगे तब उसकी वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे. मीन्स उसके नेबरहुड में फाइंड करेंगे. और अगर ये वैल्यू नियरली सेम आ जाती है तब हम कहते हैं कि फंक्शन क्या है? फंक्शन की लिमिट एग्जिस्ट कर रही है. मीन्स इफ लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट and right hand limit, that is limit x → a - f(x) is equal to limit x → a plus f(x) is coincide, means is equal to L. Both are same, nearly same. Then we can say that the limit of the function exists. Okay. So the definition of the limit is this: if a function, if the left hand limit and right hand limit of the function exist, are nearly same or coincide, then it is called limit of the function at the point A. अगर 3 - पे, 3 पे इस फंक्शन की वैल्यू नियरली सेम आ रही है तो कहेंगे कि इस पॉइंट पे फंक्शन एग्जिस्ट करता है. अगर ये सेम नहीं है तो फंक्शन की लिमिट एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती. ओके. सो ये तो लिमिट था. अब हम लोग और इसको कंबाइन हम लोग कैसे लिखते हैं? लिमिट x → a f(x) denoted by this. इसको लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट राइट हैंड लिमिट फाइंड करने का प्रोसीजर देखेंगे, कैसे लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट और राइट हैंड लिमिट फाइंड करेंगे। लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट फाइंड करना है, क्या करते हैं पहले, लिमिट x टेंड टू a माइनस fx। ओके, तो सबसे पहले x इज इक्वल टू a माइनस h, ये है ना, x इज इक्वल टू a माइनस h लेट कर लेते हैं, फिर x टेंड टू a माइनस लिखते हैं एंड h टेंड टू 0 करते हैं, और फिर लिमिट x टेंड टू h टेंड टू 0 f a माइनस h करके इस फंक्शन की वैल्यू निकाल लेते हैं। ठीक है, सिमिलरली राइट हैंड लिमिट निकालते हैं, इसमें x इज इक्वल टू क्या लेते हैं, a प्लस h लेते हैं, और जब x टेंड टू a प्लस लेते हैं, h टेंड टू 0 लेते हैं, और लिमिट h टेंड टू 0 f a प्लस h फाइंड। ठीक है, नाउ नेक्स्ट देखो, अब लिमिट फाइंड करने का कुछ टाइम है, हाउ टू सॉल्व लिमिट, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ लिमिट, तो इसका कुछ प्रोसीजर है, वो हम लोग देखेंगे वन बाय वन। जैसे फर्स्ट टाइप है डायरेक्ट सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड, इस मेथड में क्या करते हैं हम लोग, डायरेक्ट वैल्यू पुट कर देते हैं। जैसे कोई फंक्शन लेते हैं अभी, ऐसे लिमिट x टेंड टू 3 and x square minus 4 by x plus 3. Okay, now by direct method we put the value of limit directly. We get 3 square minus 4 by 3 plus 3, 9 minus 4 by 6 means 5 by 6. We get the direct. Okay, we put directly the value of x in the given function. This is called direct substitution method. Suppose take another example. Limit x tend to 0 under root 1 plus x plus 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x. ठीक है, so in the direct method we direct use the value of x, so we get 1 plus 0, 1 minus 0, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 1 by 1, that is, so this is our result. So such type of function if we have to given, then we can use this method, direct method, and solve the limit. Okay, now see the another method. factorization method. Factorization method. Okay. In this method, first we will factorize the given function. After that, put the value of limit. Okay. Suppose that, take an example. Limit x tend to x square minus 5x plus 6 upon x square minus 4. In this method, if we are direct putting the value, then we get 4 and 4 and 6 10 and minus 10 means in numerator will be 0 and here also numerator will be 0, so it will be formed 0 by 0 and 0 by 0 cannot be determined, it is indeterminate form. Okay, so first what we will do, first we will factorize this. After that we will put the value of limit x tend to 2. What we write this, minus 3x plus 2x minus 2x plus 6, and this is x minus 2 and x plus 2. We get limit x tend to 2, x minus 3 minus 2 x minus 3 upon x minus 2 x plus 2. Now we get x tend to 2, x minus 3 in one bracket, in other bracket x minus 2, x minus 2, x plus 2. So x minus 2 cancel, and what we get, limit x tend to 2, x minus 3 by x plus 2. Now put the value of limit, 2 minus 3 upon 2 plus 2, we get minus 1 by 4. So this is our result. Okay, so if we are saying that it is the form of 0 by 0, then first what we will do, we will factorize the function. After that we will put the value of limit. Okay, now take another example. Limit x tend to 1, x cube minus 1 by x minus 1. We have to find the limit of this function. So what we will do here, so we are saying that limit x tend to 1, if we are putting 1, we get 0 by 0 again. So first what we will do, we will factorize this. So we get x minus 1, x square plus 1 plus x upon x minus 1. So it will be cancel. Now we get limit x tend to 1, x square plus x plus 1. We get 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. It will be our answer. Okay, so this is factorization method. I hope you understand. So we are taking next method. Next method is racialization method. Next method is racialization method. In this method, what we will do, the questions will be in the form of under root. Okay, so first we will rationalize the function. After that we will solve it. So let's see an example. Limit x tend to 0 under root 2 plus x minus root 2 divided by x. So what we will do first here? First we will rationalize it. Means we will multiply in numerator and denominator by under root 2 plus x plus root 2. Okay. After that we will solve it. So let limit x tend to 0 2 plus x minus 2 divided by x into under root 2 plus x plus root 2 under root 2 plus x plus 2. So limit x tend to 0. What we get? This is a minus b and this is a plus b. So we get a square minus b square. So under root 2 plus x whole square minus root 2 whole square divided by x under bracket 2 plus x plus root 2. Okay. Now we get x tend to 0. It will be what? 2 plus x minus 2 upon x under bracket 2 plus x plus root 2. It will be cancelled. So limit x tend to 0 x by x under root 2 plus x plus root 2. So here x and x will be cancelled. Now we put the value of limit. We get 1 by root 2 plus root 2, that is 1 by 2 root 2. Rationalize it 2. So we get root 2 by 4. Okay. So it will be our answer. So in this method, first we will rationalize the function. After that we will solve it. Okay. Now take another example based on this method. Limit x tend to 0 x by a plus x minus under root a minus x. So what we will do? Limit x tend to 0. We will rationalize it first. Okay. So it will be root a plus x plus under root a plus x. Sorry, here it will be minus under root a plus x plus under root a minus x. Okay. Now solve this. Limit x tend to 0. X under bracket a plus x plus under root a minus x divided by here a minus b and a plus b. So it will be what? A square minus b square. So limit x tend to 0. We get x under root a plus x plus a minus x upon a plus x minus a plus x. So it will be reduced. Okay. Now we get limit x tend to 0, x under bracket a plus x under root a minus x upon 2x, x and x will be cancelled. Now put the value of limit, we get under root a plus 0 under root a minus 0 upon 2, we get 2 root a by 2 and it will be cancelled, we get what? Root a. So it will be our answer. Okay, no doubt here. So in this way we can solve the question based on which method? Rationalization method. Okay, now next method is evaluation of algebraic limit by using some standard limits. Next is by using some standard limits. Okay, so it is what? If limit x tend to a, x minus n upon a to the power n upon x minus a is equal to n a to the power n minus 1, where n belong to q. So this is a standard result. Limit x tend to a, x to the power n minus a to the power n upon x minus a is equal to n a to the power n minus 1. If we are getting some question based on this standard result, then we can solve the limit by using the result n a to the power n minus 1 directly. Okay, let's see example. Suppose that we have to give a limit x tend to 2 x to the power 10 minus 1024 divided by x minus 2. So what we will do? First we will change this in the form of this result. So we are getting x tend to 2 x to the power 10 minus, this is 2 to the power 10. Okay, we can write this is what? 2 to the power 10 and this is x minus 2. So now see this is just like this, so we can directly use the result this in the place of this, where a is 2 and n is 10. So what we will the value? The value will be n a to the power n minus 1. So 10 into 2 to the power 9. And after solving we get 5120. It will be our answer. So if some of the question is based on such type, then we can directly use. Okay. Now see the last. If method of evaluation of algebraic limit at infinity. Okay, if we have to given questions in which the limit is given x tend to infinity. This is a type method of evaluation of algebraic limit at infinity. In such type of questions, the limit always tend to infinity. Suppose that we are taking an example ax square plus bx plus c upon dx square plus cx plus f. Ex plus f. Suppose that we have to given such type of question. In such type of question in which the limit tends to infinity, what we will do first? First we will take the variables, highest order variables common in numerator and denominator. Okay, here is x square, here is also x square. First we will take it common. Limit x tend to infinity. We take x square a, b by x and c by x square. And from denominator x square d plus e by x plus f by x square. Okay, and what we will do, it will be cancelled. Now limit x tend to infinity a plus b by x plus c by x square divided by d plus e by x plus f by x square. Now we will put the value of limit which is infinity, put a plus b by infinite plus c by infinite upon d plus e by infinite plus f by infinite. Square of infinite is infinite, you know. Now a plus b by infinite is what? 1 by 0. C 1 by 0 and d plus e 1 by 0 and c 1 by 0. So this term, so this 0 will go to the above and here also, here also, here also. So this term, this term, this term, this term, these all term will be 0. Okay, so we write, what we write? A plus 0 by d plus 0 and we get what? A by d. This will be our answer. Okay, so if we are getting some questions in which we are seeing the limit is tend to infinite, so what we will do? First we will take the highest order variable in numerator and denominator, taking outside. So here is x square. So taking x square common in numerator and denominator and it is cancelled. Now we get a plus b by x plus c by x square and d plus c by x plus f by x square. Now what we will do? Put the value of x, which is infinite. So a plus b by infinite, c by infinite, e by infinite and f by infinite. And you know infinite is 1 by 0. So we put 1 by 0, 1 by 0, 1 by 0. It will go above. So this term will be 0. So we get a by d. Okay. So this is our result. Now the questions of your NCERT book we will see in the next class. Thank you.